Happy morning, my dear children. Welcome to Elga online class. Today we are going to revise the reading and listening comprehension session from 5, 6, 7 and 8 units. Okay. First of all, we will revise the 5th unit reading and listening comprehension session. From this reading and listening comprehension session, we will practice the parts of your book from our SR book. What are the parts of your book? Yes, every book has a 5 parts. What are that? Front cover, back cover, title of the story, then page number, author. Right? Let us revise that. You will open your SR book, SR 12. I will give you 5 seconds time. You have to open that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes. See that? Parts of your book. Front cover. This is the front cover of the book. Next, back cover. Back cover. Next, title. Name of the book or story. This is the title. Next, author. The person who has written the book or story, that is the author name. Last one, page number. These are all the 5 parts of a book. Do you remember this, my dear children? Yes. Yes, from this unit we have to revise the character in the story. After that, when we have to read the stories, we have to find the characters in the story. What is the question? Who is in the story? From this unit, we have to revise this too, right? Yes. After that, we have to revise the retell events of your story, right? Let us revise that. From this 5th unit, what is the story name? Shopping Time. My dear children, from your home, you have to try to read this story, okay? After reading this, we have to revise that characters. Already we read that story, right? So my dear children, you have to read that story in your home, okay? Yes. See that? A character is a person or animal in a story. For the example, in the story Shopping Time, Rahul and Ronnie are the characters. So my dear children, while you are reading the story, just you have to find out the who is the characters in the story. Okay? Yes. Next, we have to revise the retell events of a story. What is that? Events or things that happen during the story. Right? Just you have to think about that. While you are reading the story, just you have to what are the events for that story, right? When you read a story and then tell what happened in the story, it is called retelling of the story in your own words, okay? We always tell what happened first, then next, and then end of the story. This slide you have to think about that. Do you remember that, my dear children? Retell events of the story means while we are reading the story, after reading this we have to think about that. What are the things in the story? What happened in the story? That is called retell events of a story. That your own words. What is the first from that story? Then next one what? Then end of the story. This like you have to do that. Retell events of a story. Okay? You have to follow these steps. Okay? Yes. So my dear children, from this Shopping Time story, you have to read this in your home. We will revise the vocabulary words from this story, okay? Yes. Take the next page. What is that? Vocabulary words. Shopping time. Vocabulary words. Shopping. Shopping. Baggery. Baggery. Card. Card. Balloons. Balloons. Shop. Shop. Toys. Toys. These are all the vocabulary words from this story. Let us see the next story. The fruit seller. The fruit seller. This story also you have to Read in your home. Okay, yeah. Let us see the vocabulary words from the story. We will take the next page. Fruit salad, fruit salad, fruit salad, fruits, fruits, papaya, papaya, pear, pear. My dear children, what do you have to think about that? Yes, while you are reading the story, just you have to think about the who is in the story. After that, you have to retell the events of a story. While reading this, just you have to think of these two things. Okay? Yes. Next, we will move to the next story. At a fair. You have to read this story in your home. We will see the vocabulary words from the story. Vocabulary words: ride, ride, music, music, ice creams, ice creams, fair, fair. Next, our helpers, our helpers. Let us see the vocabulary words from the story. Vocabulary words: milkman, milkman, baker, baker, policeman, policeman, sweeper, sweeper, clean, clean, safe. Okay? Yes. Great, my dear children. From this story, you have to read in your home. After that, you have to revise that. Okay? Yes. Let us move to the next unit, reading and listening comprehension session. From this sixth unit, we have to read about the characters. Okay? After that, we have to identify the characters by asking the question, who is in the story. While you are reading the different story, just you have to ask the question, who is in the story, right? Yes. After that, we have to read about the settings. We have to identify the settings by asking the question, where is the story taking place? So, my dear children, while you are reading the different stories, you have to think about that questions, who is in the story. After that, where is the story taking place, right? So, from this unit, these are all the, we have to revise these patterns. Okay? Yes. Yes. See that concept time. Characters. A character is a person or animal in a story, right? See the example. Who are our characters in the story? Why we love trees? Did you read that story? Do you remember this, my dear children? So while you are reading the story, who is in the story? You have to think about that. See the example. Rahul, Seema, Mohan, Pooja. These are all the characters from the story Why We Love Trees. Right? Yes. What I said already? Settings. How we have to think about the settings? Yes. While you are reading the story, you have to think about the where is the story taking place. That is called settings. Right? The setting is where is the story takes place, right? Yes, for the example, in the story, be friends with a tree. The different settings are forest, park, playground, etc. Right? See that forest, park, playground. These are all the settings. So, my dear children, while you are reading the story, you have to think about the who is in the story. Then, where is the story taking place? This like you have to think about that. Let us see the stories from this unit 6. Why we love trees. This is the story from this. Just you have to read this story in your home. Let us see the vocabulary words from the story. Trees, trees, eating, eating, shade, shade, wearing, wearing, paper, paper, right, right, cotton, cotton, clouds, clouds, agree, agree. So, my dear children, these are all the vocabulary words from the story. While you are reading the story, what you have to do? You have to think about the who is in the story, then where is the story taking place, right? Yes. Next story, be friends with a tree. Let us see the vocabulary words. swing, swing, climb, climb, think, think, rest, rest. Next story, if trees could talk. You will read the story in your home. Vocabulary words, talk, talk, secret, secret, stop, stop, share, share. Great, my dear children. These are all the stories from this unit number 6. Let us move to the unit 7, reading and listening comprehension session. Yes, from this unit we have to revise the concepts of the characters and settings. Okay, then we have to revise the events and practice how to sequences from that. Okay, we will revise this too. After that we have to revise the concept of a theme, right? Then we will revise the vocabulary words from the related stories. Yeah, see that characters. A character is a person or animal in a story, right? Character in the story Seema and Puppy, we read in the class, right? Who are the characters? Seema, Puppy, mother. What you have to do while you are reading the story? Just you have to think about the story. After that, settings. What is the settings? The setting is where is the story taking place. Settings in the story Seema and the Puppy. What are that? Road, home, garden. Do you remember this story? Yes. Next, sequencing events. What are the sequencing events? Events means important things that happened in the story are called events. Putting the events in the correct order they happen is called sequencing events. We have to put the things in number correct order. That are all the sequencing events, right? We can sequence events by numbering them. Sequence of the events in the story We Are All Animals. Already we read that story, right? The boy sees, the animal see. The boy hears, the animal hear. Numbering 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? This like we have to see put the sequencing events. Next, let us revise the theme of the story. The message or main idea you learn from the story. Questions to ask: what message is author given in the story? How is it connected to our life, right? This is the theme of the story. We have to think about this theme of the story while reading that, okay? Yes, in the story We Are All Animals, the message is that we can see, hear, breathe like animals. What is the theme? We are all the same. So this is the theme of the story, right? Yes. Let us see the story. We are all animals. What you have to do? You will read the story in your home while you are reading. Who is the story? Where is the story taking place? Then what is the theme of the story? Think about this, okay? Let us revise the vocabulary words. Vocabulary words. Hear, hear, breathe, breathe, teeth, teeth, animals, animals. Next to see that SR11, my dear children, home of animals, homes of animals. Vocabulary words: home, home, trees, trees, cave, cave, forest, forest, earth. Right? Next story are about animals. Let us see the vocabulary words from this story. Horns, horns, trunk, trunk, spots, spots, stripes, stripes, strong, strong. So my dear children, try to read that story in your home. Let us see the next story. Leela and the bird. See the vocabulary words from this. Yes. Parents, parents, noise, noise, crying, crying, hurt, hurt, flew, flew. Yes. Great, my dear children. From this 7th unit, you have to revise the character and settings. After that, sequencing, right? Sequencing in the events, right? After that, you have to think about the theme of the story. This and all, while you are reading the story, you have to think about this. After that, after finishing your story reading, you will see the vocabulary words. Okay, revise that. Let us see the next unit, unit number 8. What are all the reading and listening comprehension session? We have to revise the finding the meaning of a word. After that, we will read the story and practice the vocabulary words from that. Okay, yes. From this 8th unit, I will read one story. S.R.4 Beautiful India. Author Sakshi Bhatia. Illustrations Gigdi Benha. Priya went to see India. She went to so many places. She said it was fun. You also read along with me, my dear children. They saw the Red Fort in Delhi. It was beautiful. Next page. They saw Taj Mahal in Agra. It was beautiful. They saw Hawa Mahal in Jaipur. It was beautiful. Next page. They saw Gateway of India in Mumbai. It was beautiful. They also saw Dal Lake in Kashmir. It was beautiful. India is so beautiful. See the vocabulary words. Beautiful. Many. Yes. So, what is the concept? Find the meaning of a word. When you do not know the meaning of a word, follow the steps. Find the meaning of a word. Many. Okay. See that. Step 1. See the picture with the sentence. Okay. See that. She is talking to her friends, right? And telling them about something. I see 5 things she is trying to tell them because they are 5 thought bubbles. See that. So first you have to see the picture with sentence. Step 2 what? Use other words in the sentence to find the meaning, right? Yes. She went to so many places, right? It means 5 places, right? So they put many. So you have to follow this finding a meaning of word from these 2 steps, okay? Yes, let us see the another story. Schools in India. My dear children, from this you have to read this story in your home. Let us see the vocabulary words. Vocabulary words. Singing, singing, boat, boat, outside, outside, classroom, classroom, children, children, bride, bride. Next story name, different but same. Yes, vocabulary words, tribal, leaves, bricks, woolen, straw, city. These are all the vocabulary words from this story. Yes. So my dear children, from this ELGA 1, reading and listening comprehension, what we have to done? Yes. While we are reading the story, we have to think about the who is in the story. After that, where is the story taking place? Then next one, retell the events of a story. Then next one, theme of a story. From this 4 units, while we are reading the story, you have to follow these 4 steps. Okay. So my dear children, from your home you will take your SR book and also workbook. Okay, you will read the story and also revise the vocabulary words. While you are reading a story, you will read discuss and think the who is in the story, then where is the story taking place. After that, what is the theme of the story, and then you have to retell the events of a story. Okay, this like you have to revise this reading and listening comprehension session in your home. Okay, my dear children, do you understand? Yes. Just you have to think about this. Not only this SR book, for all book, and also you will take your workbook. You have to revise the related reading and listening comprehension section. What we have to done our workbook. Okay. Bye. Thank you. Happy learning. Take care, my dear children. Be safe.